Modern styling, optimum comfort and effortless functionality are at the heart of the Duo range. Dynamic features which allow the Duo to accommodate the changing needs of the user whilst providing excellent postural control and comfort. Tilt-in Space is a unique pivoting system that provides a reclined resting position whilst maintaining posture and pelvic stability. With the Duo electric and regulated motion chairs, either the user or the carer can use the hand controller to adjust the tilt-in space position or the elevating leg rest by the simple touch of a button. On the Duo with regulated motion, the 6-buttoned hand controller is also programmed to allow regulated motion, the ability for the seat to move over a controlled range, automatically adjusting the tilt-in space. The pattern of movement is set to repeat to ensure continuous motion over a period of time within a specified tilt range. To stop the automatic mode, simply press any of the 4 lower buttons to take the operation back to manual. In order to increase the back height of the chair, detach the loose cover back panel at the rear of the chair by unfastening the Velcro. To adjust the back height, pull and turn the spring pull snaps located on the metal back frame through 90 degrees. They will then stay out whilst the correct position is selected. Slide the upper part of the back up or down until the required height is reached and allow both pins to snap back into the correct hole. Make sure both pins are located firmly before use. The footboard height on the Duo chair is easy to adjust. Pull out the spring pull snaps and the complete footboard assembly slides up and down the front tubes until the correct positioning is selected and the pins click back into the required hole. The angle of the footboard can be adjusted to 2 different settings, 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Just pull out the spring pull snap adjusters located at the rear of the footboard. There's no need to turn them as they will remain out whilst the plantar flexion position is selected. The footboard can also flip up, pushing the footboard towards the leg rest. This is particularly useful for those users who would like their feet on the floor or have some mobility when exiting the chair. To adjust seat length, locate the silver spring adjuster at the rear of the seat module on the back of the chair frame. The seat module may be a bit stiff to adjust, but by moving to the front of the chair and positioning one hand at the back of the seat module, the correct seat length can be achieved. Check that the silver spring adjuster clicks back firmly into place and that the seat module is not movable. The angle of the back of the Duo chair is adjustable in relation to the seat in order to ensure maximum comfort and to facilitate correct positioning. To change the angle, squeeze the brake-style handle on the right-hand side of the push handle at the back of the chair. To bring the chair back to an upright position, squeeze the handle on the right-hand side and guide the chair to the desired position. The headrest on the Duo chair tilts backwards or forwards to support the user's head as required. Using the small spring-loaded lever on the left-hand side of the back frame, release the locking mechanism by turning the lever anti-clockwise. Move the headrest to the desired position and turn the lever clockwise to lock. The seat height of the chair can be either raised or lowered according to the needs of the user. On the right-hand side of the chair is a retractable handle. To raise the chair, turn the handle clockwise, and to lower, turn the handle anti-clockwise. Seat width depends on the user's hip width. To adjust the arms in or out, remove the sidearm panel by pulling it away from the chair, locate and loosen the butterfly knob at the rear of the underarm, pull the spring-loaded popper down, and pull the whole arm assembly either in or out to the required width. Ensure that the spring-loaded popper is securely in place and retighten, then repeat on the opposite arm. Finally, replace the sidearm panel by locating the plastic clips on the metal frame of the chair and pressing until it fixes to the frame. To adjust the arm height, remove the sidearm panel by pulling it away from the chair. Loosen the front and back spring-loaded levers by rotating anti-clockwise. Raise or lower the arm to the required setting, then secure both the front and back levers. Take care not to take the arm above 300mm from the top of the seat module, as the arm panel will not fit back onto the side of the arm. The arms on the Duo are fully detachable for easy side transfer and sling positioning if a hoist is used. Remove the side arm panel, loosen the butterfly knob at the rear of the underarm and the spring-loaded popper at the front. Pull the popper down and pull the whole arm assembly out to remove it. To ensure user safety, never remove both arms at the same time and never sit on the arms or put undue pressure at the front. The headrest split wings provide lateral support to the user's head and shoulders. They can be angled in or out for a more central position and should be adjusted to provide support to the user in the centre of the chair. By bending both wings on each side of the headrest can be set in its desired position. The wing movement has purposely been made tight to ensure that it will not move when the user is sitting in the chair in a relaxed position. The optional pommel simply slides on and off from the front of the seat module. The Duo can be fitted with two optional lateral supports that operate independently but are adjusted or removed in the same way. They are marked to ensure that they are positioned evenly to provide balanced support where appropriate. To attach or detach the lateral supports, loosen the triangular handle and adjust as required. To move them vertically, loosen the black spring-loaded levers located on each lateral support at the back of the chair. Rotate them anti-clockwise until loose, then raise or lower the lateral support to the required setting and retighten the levers. To move them horizontally, loosen the triangular handle and adjust to preference. The optional leg lateral slides onto the leg rest assembly. Slide the footboard down and off. Pull out the snaps on the leg lateral unit and slide it up the leg rest to the desired position. Locate the pins into the correct positioning holes and click the snaps firmly into place. All other details of care and maintenance for the Duo chair are given on the separate user instruction leaflet.